morning, everyone. Welcome to our show, The Pek Show. We have a special guest, Miss Shurimi Kurikong, Jobagang, Lishumi, Baraging Bading, Shushu, Shushunga, for short, Miss Bebeng. What? Miss Bebeng. We will start our interview. First question. Why did you choose such a business?
I choose this because I have my interest on this business and I have my desire.
Oh. Next question. How do you get a loan with this business?
Well, it's just a small business, but now my business is grow up and successful.
Oh. Next question. How did you succeed?
Oh. I succeed on this business because of my partner, Kurimao Karanana, awesome partner, who gave me and inspired me.
Go. The fourth question. Do you think this business will last?
Go. Of course, because their products are beautiful and it has a good quality, and you will enjoy these accessories and brands.
Go. That's all. Thank you, ma'am, for your sharing your experience and successful about your business.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you for your watching our Pek Show. Till next time.